come on.
Oh, they're gonna... Look at that shit, boy. Ta madre. Ta madre. Who the fuck is honking?
Oh, he's right there. I swear to God, he's right there.
Oh, fuck. Getting honked by random stupid ass people. Why the fuck are you honking, pussy?
Alright, what's up everybody? It's your boy Fresh Tellin' today. I got a prank for y'all. So the homie Jill's about to pull up right now. So what I'm gonna put in the back of his car is a honk for good luck. So I'm gonna say how many people honk and see what his reaction is. Hopefully he gets hella pissed, hella mad. So I'll stay tuned and see what's up. Alright. Hold up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Alright, what's good, y'all? We're in the car right now. Fighting in the store. Got the homie Brian in the bag. Got the homie Gio. Whipping the whip. You know how we do.
That's a woman. By random stupid ass people. No way. Why the fuck are you honking, please?
Fuck that nigga throw us.
Like, fuck you, bitch! No, you gotta stop it.
What happened, bro?
I'm popping it. Yeah, pop my cherry. What the fuck was What the fuck? Bro, stop doing that shit. Get your ass beat. Stop fucking doing that shit, bro. That shit's not even funny. Look at the other guy. Alright, pull up your beer, nigga.
Me?
Please. Let's go meta break. Puta madre! Puta madre! Leave me the fuck alone! Bro, that's not even funny, bro. Stop doing that shit, dude. You're in my car, nigga.
Bro, come on.
Oh, they're gonna... Look at that shit, boy.
They're gonna beat your ass.
Why are they honking at me?
Why is everybody?
I'm getting nervous, stop.
You're getting nervous, fool.
Just away.
Arion? What the fuck was that?
I'm chugging on it, nigga.
Nigga, I bought all this shit for nothing. I'm not even gonna eat all
That's
this.
your check, fool.
Why is that so mad?
I don't know.
Bro, why you keep flicking people off? It's not funny. I'm flicking people off.
Oh,
You dumbass.
oh, me too.
He's nervous.
I hate Mexicans, fool. Fucking wetback.
No, I've been here to invest. Okay, she said I never treat her, so I had to go buy her a dress. No, but the plan was to fucking leave her, so I have a few things to address. First, alright, first things first. I don't mean to be long, but I probably end up fucking your hoe before the end of this song. And I'ma climb these shots and make these hits until I'm gone. Cause I got a news, you don't wanna lose me. Cause my money long. And I got big racks on me. Feel like a money monster. Feel like Casper in this.
That's what she said. Hold my nuggets.
And up on the gram, I don't give a damn. I'm hotter. Brr, you cold as fuck. Boy, you gon' tell me what? Hot nigga, you are Nash right now. I need the guap. Yes, I need a bag right now. I've been here to invest. Okay, she said I never treat her, so I had to go buy her a dress. No, but the plan was to fucking leave her, so I have a few things to address. That's facts. I want the cash right now.
You want a nugget?
For real?
You were asking for one?
No.
Nah, I want you.
Nugget.
That's it.
I'm with Savage in the shit doing donuts. Youngest nigga, go nuts. Go in the baby blue coat. Buy cash, then I go on.
To address.
Put the
Who the fuck is honking? Tired of this shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Drip, nigga, drip.
Nah, that shit's getting annoying. Fucking honking and shit.
Hey, oh, he's right there. I swear to God, he's right there.
Oh, fuck.
Now, slow down. Let's get him mad.
Nigga, you're gonna get your ass beat. Like, who you fucking...
Slow down, nigga.
I'm going 20 miles per hour.
Go 10. Go 10.
Alright, fine, I'll go 10.
You gotta pull up.
Bro,
Get on my car, nigga.
bro, look, come outside. Come outside real quick. Come outside.
Bro, just pickle.
Fried pickle.
Look. Honk for good luck.
Nigga, you got the luck, fool. Is that why they were fucking honking, nigga?
Yes, I need a bag right now. I've been here to invest. Okay, she said I never treat her, so I had to go buy her a dress. No, but the plan was to fucking leave her, so I have a few things to address. That's facts. I want the cash right now. I need the guap. Yes, I need a bag right now. I've been here to invest. Okay, she said I never treat her, so I had to go buy her a dress. No, but the plan was to fucking leave her, so I have a few things to address.